Morning, guys. Good morning. Hello, hello. Morning, morning. Good morning. So I decided to come here only to tell you guys to log profits. That's it. PDD is up 700%. No need to hold that one. No need to hold that one. Everything's up a lot. So log profits, log profits, log profits. The best entries are gonna be if we pull back on everything. Like we need a pullback. So don't be greedy. Log profits. Be out. Crown Strike is the only one that I'm down on the weeklies because I was dumb and I completely forgot yesterday was Wednesday. So I'm down on the weeklies. I'm up on the ones that I have for next week and the week after. But everything else, you guys don't even like the small account. It's up. I'm just gonna say a lot. Thanks to PDD. Is 90 over 90% up only today. The small account made for over 4K only with PDD. Yeah, PDD. We bank on that one. That was huge. And look at UPS. UPS is flying. UPS filled the gap and just keeps flying. Look at that. 130 133.60 really where it is right now. That's a big resistance. And then 134 is the main one. Yeah, we had a banger there on UPS. Like the swings just killed it. I love swing trading. Love swing trading. Obviously, not always is for swings, but when we have a market for swings, man, the market is like crazy. And today it's gonna be a difficult day to trade, so it couldn't be more perfect to have the huge move pre-market and then just lock profits. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna try to pass 5 Apex evaluation accounts. Like I am not gonna trade with my funded accounts, only with evals. So if I blow that up, I don't care. So you guys know, like you know, before I take any trades with future, it's gonna be with evals, not with my funded accounts. It's gonna be YOLO. I'm just gonna go full port. That's it. So do not follow me on any of that. Today is a risky day. Risky business. Then SMMH. That's another one. The 250 SMH are way in the money now. The small account is almost up 500% for only in a week. In 1 week. Okay, let's see if SPY is gonna hold 573. Again, guys, I'm not gonna trade futures with my funded accounts, only with evals. And I'm gonna go heavy. So do not follow me on that. Microsoft 428, 430 will be the level we want to see holding. And I want to see pullbacks on pretty much everything and anything. I'm all out of UPS. Same thing with PDD. Now we need pullbacks. It gets to a point that if you're over 100% up, which with PDD we're 700% up, there's no reason to hold that play. Just wait for pullbacks because it still has a gap. A gap above. The thing is, I don't like trading trading to the upside when we have gaps below, which right now everything has gaps below. Amazon is so stuck. Just don't want to move. I'm all out of that one too. That thing is wasting my time. I was up like 11%, which is not bad. I'm just being a brat. Morning. Good day, solid day. And SPY and the Q has huge gaps below. Yeah, PDD was awesome. That was clean. It's not always, but yeah. I honestly was expecting PV doing that, but not in just one day. Imagine if we had the weeklies, which that would have been a YOLO, but the weeklies must have been up like, I don't know, 2000%, maybe more. Let's see if it's gonna hold 473 and the Q 490, 491. I don't know why my trading view is acting so weird today. I just reload my QQQ chart and it's not showing me my levels. What the heck? Why I have no levels here? Crown strike, I think is gonna stop me out. Yep, that thing is dying. Maybe the market moved too much for trading view. Let's see if Crown Strike's gonna hold 240, 284. If not, I'm getting out of that one. I got rid of the weeklies. Those were down. I'm holding the ones that I have for next week and for the week after. Nvidia pulling back. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna hold yesterday high. That will be perfect if Nvidia can really hold yesterday high. $125, $124, around there. Okay. So now on the cube we have gaps above and gaps below. Oh, you guys are always also having trouble with TradingView? Okay. Okay, so I guess TradingView is acting funny today. Miami right now is very windy with the storm that is coming. Well, it's going more to the south. I'm sorry, it's to the north. Florida north. Not really coming to Miami, but we're gonna have a lot of wind and rain. A lot of rain the next few days. Okay, so far we're looking very weak. Yeah, I'm watching 573 on SPY. If not, 571.50. If not, the entire gap fill. For the Q is 491, and then yesterday high 488, around 488. So we have huge gap below. Nvidia is in the middle of nowhere. I like this Microsoft hold, yesterday high hold, looking pretty interesting. Meta yesterday high, fighting yesterday high. Amazon holding 192 again, but Amazon's been a mess. Free hair drying service? I wish. At what time do we have Jalen speaking today? It's at 11 or 11:30. Intel. I'm waiting for a pullback on that chart. I was expecting a pullback for today or tomorrow. Obviously, the market had another plans, but we'll see. We'll see. Is Powell still speaking, or he's done? So we have. I know we have Jalen around 11th, but I don't have it here. 11:15. Okay. And we have pending home sales at 10. And then we have 10:30, a bunch of two more Feds speaking. Morning, Greg. Let's see. CrowdStrike is very, very weak. I'm still watching 284. If cannot hold 284, I'm getting out. Amazon looking pretty weak. Dell holding very good. Oh, Intel is trying to hold yesterday high. If can hold yesterday high, that's a good entry. Amazon, yeah, lost 192. Happy I took profits there because that thing was doing nothing. CrowdStrike is looking pretty weak, but it's trying to hold 284. Bouncing there. Hey DB, morning. The Q is trying to hold here. If it goes above the VWAP, that's gonna be very bullish. Both the SPY and the Q. I'm watching Intel. If Intel can break the VWAP also, that's another one that I like to play the bounce. And I added a little bit on CrowdStrike for the next weeks and the week after contracts. That's American Airlines, right? Nope, it's not inside the gap. So if it's not inside the gap, I'm not trading gaps that is not inside the gap. Guys, watch the video that I post about how to trade gaps. I said it 1,000 times, how to trade gaps. I explained it a bunch of times. You also have it on the free video course that I made for you guys. You have the entire explanation there. how to trade gaps. You have it here. Okay, SPY is looking like it wants to SPY looking like it wants to break the VWAP. That will be extremely bullish. Okay, I'm getting out of Crown Strike. I don't like how weak it is. Let's see. Let's see how this... I'm waiting to see if this 5-minute candle is gonna close holding 284 or not. We have 3 more minutes. Ooh, ugly reaction there on SPY. But this market is so bullish that I'm scared to trade the downside. Also, Microsoft is holding very good. Very, very nice. But that's a very clean reaction there on SPY. Yeah, I'm out of Crown Strike. I don't like it. I don't want to babysit that one. This reaction here on SPY is kinda tempting me. The thing is, like, Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple are holding too good for me to play this reaction. But should we try it? SPY is not even moving. It's not moving. We have the Q holding 491. SPY rejecting the VWAP. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, dang it. Again, these are only eval account. Do not follow me. My stop loss is gonna be a stronghold of the VWAP. 473, it's an important level on SPY, and then it's 573, and then 571.50, and then the entire gap fill. And 491 for the Q. Apple is holding very, very good. Microsoft looking weak, and Nvidia is holding very good. It's not doing anything. And I'm just gonna hold this play unless we break the VWAP. If we can fill the entire gap, that would be amazing. That would be a dream. And if I see if I see a SPY breaking the VWAP and holding it at support, I'm gonna go long. Okay, looks like we're losing 573. And I'm only gonna need 3K here to pass these 5 accounts. Okay, Nvidia looking very weak now. Let's see if we have any continuation. I want to see Nvidia filling the gap and going to yesterday's high. So the market is not really moving much. I think it's honestly, I hate trading gap ups day, especially huge gap on a very bullish market, especially if we're at an all-time high. That's very difficult to trade, at least for me. I don't like trading when we're at all-time high or near all-time high. And we have a bunch of Feds speaking later today and yelling. I think after a huge move the past few days and today, the market needs a little pullback or consolidation at least. It needs to digest this huge move. So maybe the market doesn't do anything today, who knows? But if it fills the gap to yesterday's close, that will be a very good possible entry to play the upside continuation. Okay, I like that. I think we need Nvidia to pull down. That would definitely help me here. Same thing here with the Q. Another thing to consider is that I'm playing bearish on a very bullish market. I'm shorting a very bullish market, so it's also very high risk. Okay, I like that reaction. We kind of have this little downtrend here. I like this reaction here on the Q also. This is so slow. Well, I was definitely expecting very slow choppy day. That's why I said yesterday that I didn't want to trade today. Maybe the afternoon session is better today. Okay, I like that move on Microsoft. Maybe it's gonna help me here. Meta is looking weak. Nvidia also. Apple is still holding. SPY is not moving. The Q definitely weaker than SPY. Come on, Nvidia, give me a pullback. Oh yeah, definitely. Bitcoin should move higher with those with that, yeah, with low interest. Let me see how is coin doing. Oh yeah, coin is flying. Mara too. But Mara, it's been a pain in the ass. It's too choppy. Riot. Riot, very choppy also. Yeah, Spy looks like it wants to go now. It's reacting there. Meta weak. Apple holding. Nvidia holding in the middle of nowhere. I like that reaction on Nvidia, but still we need more continuation. I like this acute reaction here, 491 reaction. Google is a mess also. Amazon is very weak, rejecting 191, 192. FedEx reacting to 70. I don't like that. I want to see it holding above 270. But we have a lot of time for the gap fill play. Man, this is boring. Come on, Spy, go lower. Break it down. Break under. Apple rejecting the VWAP. Let's see if we have any type of continuation here. I want to see Nvidia going lower and fill the gap, but it looks like it wants to hold now. If we have Nvidia doing that, the Q is gonna die. It's gonna fill the gap, or at least go to 489, 488. Okay, we're looking better, a little bit better. Oh man, 573 is still holding on SPY. That's previous all-time high. Again, I think we need Nvidia. We need Nvidia. I will be buying only if I see SPY and the Q breaking the view up. Come on, break it down. Go lower. Now Apple is holding too good. What a chop mess. Okay, we're looking better. We're looking better. We're looking better. Give me more. Give me more. Come on, give me more. Keep going lower. Keep going lower. Okay. Lose it. The Q definitely weaker than SPY. We have this little downtrend here. Apple holding very, very good. It's looking bullish. Very bullish. Yeah, I know. Please pray for Nvidia to go down. To go to 125. 124.50. If Nvidia does that, we have our move here. We have our move here. $5.55, you're asking for too much, but yeah. $5.55 is too much. But I'm asking for 571.50. Ay, ay, ay. Man, this is why I don't trade these days. It's a waste of time. Oh yeah, you're right, Ron. You're right. You're right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start locking some profits here. No, I'm not making any money because these are evils. Like I said before, I'm not trading funded accounts today because I didn't want to trade today. I don't think I want to see a pullback to find really good setups. So these 5 accounts are only evils. Apex is having an 80% off discount and 1 day to pass. So I'm just kind of YOLOing and see if I can pass these 5 accounts and have it on the back end in case I blew up 5 accounts in the futures. I am holding these with 2 funded, but it's very, very small. Like I made like 145 here very fast, and I'm only holding 1 micro, which is nothing. These are 2 funded accounts. These are 2 funded accounts. But see, I'm only holding 1 micro on each account because again, I think today is very risky. Very risky, very worrying. And I'm doing that just because of the consistency rule. I wanted to have something a little bit green, so today will add up to my total of 10 days trading. And then I'll be able to apply for payments. Yeah, there is Nvidia. Let's see if we can have that 124.50, 125 test there. Yesterday high pretty much is the level that I'm watching on Nvidia. It's around 125. I want to see a SPY rejecting here. Keep making lower highs and lower lows. And Apple is holding too good. I was very close to buy one mini here when I was seeing this rejection here around 491, this rejection here. But I decided to not do it. Well, look at the Q. 488 is the next, 488, 489, it's the next big support on the Q. But I would love to see it filling this entire gap. There is Nvidia. There is Nvidia 125, 124.50. It's the level I want to see Nvidia kind of retesting. But SPY is not moving. The Q very, very weak. We also need Apple to go lower, but Apple is holding. Come on, SPY, just go lower. Okay, I got out on this one. A little bit over. It's like 270 for each account. That is real money, not this. Yeah, I should have picked QQQ too. Yes, I was super close to get it 2 minis here on this reaction. Okay, we have Nvidia 125 key level here. If not, it's gonna go to yesterday's close, which is around 123.50. Nvidia filled the gap. I want to see a SPY rejecting here. If I see it breaking the 90 MA, I'm getting out. The 90 MA is the pink line here. Come on, SPY, do it. I'm out. I don't like that and how SPY is holding. And how Apple's looking like it wants to boom boom. Beautiful bounce out of 125 on Nvidia. Mm-hmm. 430 hold on Microsoft looking very interesting. Watch out this break on SPY. I think this 573 hold and SPY no wanted to go lower. It's looking pretty bullish. Look at that Nvidia bounce. That was perfect. If you want to trade Nvidia, that's your entry. That was clean bounce on Nvidia. Very, very clean. Oh yeah, no, you cannot trade this with options. Yeah, Microsoft is looking pretty good. I think, yeah, for like 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out, I think it looks very good. As long as I keep holding just above yesterday's low, I think Microsoft looks pretty bullish. $228 is the like pre-market high for Apple is the big resistance that I see right now. Ooh, what a reaction here and here. If SPY breaks the VWAP, I'm gonna go long. Hold on, I need to do something. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. We still have not much, nothing. The Q is still on a very, very clean downtrend. Well, this market is not moving. What's Tesla doing? Let's see. Any good charts? You guys see anything good? Ooh, no, Tesla is dead. Ew. Ew, that looks ugly. Tesla needed to hold 260. 259, 260. Let's see what AMD is doing. Not much. Same thing, AMD, same thing like Nvidia. I want to see it holding yesterday high. So it's still has room to go lower. And pretty much we need to be patient here. Everything gap up a lot. So what we need to do here and just wait for pullbacks and hold the clean support. And that's it. That will be our next trade pretty much on everything and anything. Oh yeah, pre-market high is the level that Apple needs to break. Yeah, SPY is also on a downtrend, but it's not really moving much. So that for me, that means it doesn't want to go lower and it is super bullish. What is my opinion on NQ? I don't check NQ. The same thing as QQQ. Just what I said about QQQ. Same thing. Ooh, ugly reaction there on Apple. Ugly reaction. QQQ, very, very clean. SMCI halted? Why? What's going on with SMCI? Let's check it out. Ooh, that was a beautiful, beautiful, perfect reaction. Look at this. That was perfection. Look at this. That was so clean. Man. So clean. Yeah, that would be amazing. I think I've never had, you know, sometimes when you buy something, well, no, Nike was like that I bought something that it had good technicals, and then we got a good news and we have a huge move to the upside, but no like $40 move. Like I never had something like that, and I'm dying to have one, at least one. Like GameStop type of move, crazy GameStop type of move, AMD, AMC, not AMD, AMC. I never had that type of luck. One time, I was on a on a Microsoft trade. I was up a lot, and I decided to sell. And then, like 2 minutes after I sold, that thing has news, and that thing moved like 20 points, like $20. I was so mad. I was so mad. Only if I had one runner, I would have made like 10K only with one contract. Even more. Okay, now that we have Apple reaction, Nvidia reaction, Microsoft reaction, now it's when SPY finally start to move. The Q is right at 488, and it looks like it's gonna go for the entire gap. 486. Yeah, 486. Yesterday's close. And if we have that, that will be a amazing possible entry to go long. Same thing if SPY holds 571.50 or yesterday's close, which is around 570. Nvidia very weak, it's right at 124. Microsoft 430. You made it over 100% on UPS. That's awesome. UPS was so beautiful. That was so clean. So clean. I sold too soon? Oh, you mean this? So what? I don't see any problem with that. You're never gonna catch the top and the bottom. Though I find it so funny, those type of comments, because you like, I know who is a new trader just by looking at their comments. Like those type of comments, like you sold too soon, you're new trading. I can see that. I can see you're new trading. And it's also funny that they only comment bad things. Yeah, you see, you're new trading. You're new at trading. You're chasing money. Only by seeing your comments, you're chasing money. If SMCI keeps tanking, it's gonna keep dragging tech down. Man, the Q was so perfect. The Q was so perfect. The only thing that I regret is that I was really looking to buy. I was so close to buying being short here on the Q. I was I was holding ES, but I was like very tempted to close ES and open a short here. Right here when I saw this candlestick. And I decided to not do it. But at least I can see my technical analysis was right. Thank you, thank you. Damn. SMCI at 408. Okay, we got our 571.50 on SPY. And we have the gap fill on the Q. Why is this chart not working? I don't have any levels here. And I can see my levels here and here. Trading view. Get it together. What the heck is going on? Okay, now we have it. Now we have it on the 5 minutes, but not on the 30 and not on the daily. Okay, here's the gap. 486 is the entire gap fill on the Q. That was so beautiful, the Q. Man, Nvidia keeps going lower. Yesterday's low is the next support, strong support that I see on Nvidia. That's awesome, congrats. Yeah, you should be out. If you guys had a good trade today, I honestly, like I said yesterday, I don't think today is a day to trade. Too many news, too much data, too many people speaking. We had a huge gap up. Today was a day to lock profits and be gone. I love this pullback. Now we need to wait see if if the Q is really gonna hold here. Yes, gap fill. It was support resistance yet the past few days, and it was resistance here. Man, SMCI, it's under 400. Whoa. Whoa. 570 is the entire gap fill on SPY. Okay, we could have a bounce here. I'm gonna go a little bit crazy here with the Q. Let's see if I can have a bounce. My stop loss is gonna be this low here. Okay, I'm gonna start locking some profits. Let's see. Okay, I'm out because I passed the evals. Those are passed. Yay! Passed. Evals are passed. Bye. Bye. Ah, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. That was so beautiful. Clean bounce and buy. I also took it with these two funded accounts. Those are Tradeify, Brett, Simba's trade to funded accounts. So I also took it here. Little bounce, like over 450 on each account. These are funded. These are evals that I just passed. And I'm bye. See ya. What a day. Yeah, I passed 5 50K accounts from APEX. Esto y esto. Esto y esto. Esto y esto. You know the TikTok song? I have it in my head all day. Okay, guys, I'm done. Watch out, 486. I do think 486 on the Q could be a very, very, very good possibility for a trade, for a call. Look at this beautiful retest here. Was resistance before, resistance, we gap up way above, we fill the gap, and now so far we're holding it. The only thing that we need to watch out is for SPY, maybe could keep going lower and fill the entire gap. If not, this was another support level that I talk about. For SPY, it was resistance here, resistance yesterday, today, kind of acting as support, so watch out for that level. SPY 486, Q 486 support, SPY 571, exactly to the T there, 571. I think that was around yesterday high, yeah. Like, the risk to reward here is too good. Should we swing trade this? Q. Let's see what's on a very strong. Ooh, Microsoft. It's a strong support, and the Q found support. Found support. Google not. Let me check it. Let's check it out. Some charts. Let's see if we have anything at a very strong support that it looks like it's gonna hold. Not this one. That one is a mess, and it just had really bad news. So let's go with Nvidia. Nvidia could be one. Again, trading view is not showing my levels, but you guys can see here support, resistance, resistance yesterday, today. If can hold 124, 125, I think it could be a very good entry here for Nvidia. I will wait for 125. 125 will be like, this is it. If it holds strong, 125 is extremely bullish, and I will definitely look for a retest of this high. That's all-time high? No. But yeah, a retest of this high, 130. Yeah, Nvidia, watch out, 125. Let's see, Apple. Apple, I kind of like it at today's low. It could be a flag here, maybe. But honestly, I don't really love trading Apple. And I think Nvidia looks way better if we wait for 125. CrowdStrike? Don't tell me CrowdStrike is back above. No. Why would I check this out when I said it just broke my stop loss and I got out of that one? Maybe 280? Maybe? But no, I will prefer for this to hold 286. 280, yeah, it could be a maybe, but we need at least one daily green candle holding 286 for this one. Yes, it could be a flag, definitely. We could see holding in here, right? We could see holding in here, but I prefer to hold it above 286. I already took a L here, so no. It kind of looks like a cup and handle, a weird cup and handle, but no. Let's go for another one. Yeah, it wasn't a boring day. I was really expecting a very boring day, but no. Microsoft. Yesterday's low, key level to hold here. Yeah. Yesterday's low, I will prefer 430, but I will not enter it today. Maybe for next week, maybe seeing another green candle like this one here, holding this support, I would prefer that. But yeah, I think my main watch for next week is gonna be Microsoft. It keeps holding this little support here. Let's see, Meta. Another one that I would like to see. It's not looking bad, but again, I don't feel like swing trading anything today. But yeah, Meta, this hold could be a good entry, but I don't like these candles. Bearish, bullish, bearish, long wick, ugly reaction. Yes, it could definitely hold the support here, but I don't love it. I don't love this chart. Again, I would prefer to see a green candle holding here rather than a bunch of red weird candles. What else? Let's go with Intel. I would love to see it pulling back to 220. I'm sorry, to 22 to 23. 22, 23. If not, let's just wait until it holds yesterday high and then we play the upside. But where it is right now, yes, I can see it that it's holding here yesterday's close, but do I love it? Not really. Powell speaks in 9 minutes. I thought he was already speaking like pre-market. I'm confused. Is it Yellen, the one that is gonna speak in like 2 minutes? But either way, I'm way done trading. I'm done trading. We passed 5 evals today. We made a lot. I made a lot of money thanks to PDD in the morning. So I'm done. I'm good. Let's see, Dale. Let me know if you want me to check any other chart. And I'm out of here. Dale, ugly rejection of this 124 level. I will say a pull back to yesterday high and hold. That will be a good entry. I would love to see Dale holding here this yesterday high. That's why I have a alert there. That will be a good one, but I don't like this rejection here. Look, it filled this little gap and just gave us a very ugly rejection. But yeah, I pull back to 120, could be a good entry. Nike, let's see Nike. Damn, Nike keeps gapping up. No, I'm waiting for Nike to fill this gap. If it doesn't come in down here, I don't have any trade for Nike. Honestly, yeah, I don't have anything for Nike. That thing is flying right at resistance right now. This very strong resistance, and then you have resistance here, and then the entire gap fill. I don't like when you have gap ups, weird candles, and another gap up. So these are weird candles here. Very small body, but you have a gap up. I would like to see it filling this gap and then filling this gap. I have an alert here because if it fills this little gap here and holds the support 82, 83, I'm sorry, that will be my entry to play another bounce here. Let me go with FedEx because I'm holding FedEx. I don't like this reaction here, but I think the gap is from 263 till almost till 300. In fact, it should be until 304, but yeah, it's reacting here. So if it closed the daily like that, most likely it's gonna go down to 263 again, and then I want to see holding that level to go higher. Again, I don't know what trading view is not showing my levels here and my gaps. Let's go with MU. Damn. Again, I want to see it filling the gap lower. I don't like trading upside with gaps lower, but I can definitely see here we have strong support. So it could be a gap and go if it holds 109. Yeah, 109, 108, because it was resistance. Let's see if today acts as support. If it does, that's your gap, pull back and go. Do I love it? No. I don't like going trading the upside with gaps below. But again, this could be a gap and go. Any other chart? SPY in the queue. SPY in the queue. SPY in the queue. SPY. The support here. Yesterday's open. Tuesday close. This little level here. This is the level that SPY needs to hold. If it's not holding it, it's done so, and most likely we're gonna go back down to 569 and then 568. But yeah, this is the level to watch on SPY, and then this resistance, which is previous all-time high, and then today's high, which is a new all-time high. That's a new all-time high. So yeah, these are the three levels to watch out, especially today's low. Today's low, it's key for SPY. QQQ. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Beautiful pullback to 486. Resistance, 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 resistance. Right now, it's holding it. Let me clean this up a little bit. We have 486, guys. Bouncing. That's the bounce that I took. And then I will say 488. Yeah, 488. No, it's a little bit higher even. Let's see if intraday is showing me. It's rejecting 488 right now. Look at this. Yeah, 488. Look at this rejection here yesterday also. Yep, that's the level. We have this little level here acting as resistance. Oh yeah, PDD. Let's watch out. I'm all out of PDD, but look at this. Damn. Okay, it's doing a gap and go. Look how that was beautiful. Look at how these previous resistance, it's now acting as support. Again, I don't want to trade anything to the upside with huge gaps below, so I put a alert at around yesterday high on PDD. I'm gonna put it a little bit higher so I can be prepared if I see PDD going lower and filling this little gap here below. So now we're gonna have two gaps. We have one here, the rest of the gap, and we have a gap below here. I don't like trading like that. You have two gaps, one huge above and one big below, so no. That's a no trade for me, but again, it's holding, so maybe it's gonna go higher and just fill the gap and then rejects there. But yeah, that's PDD. Now Baba, let's see what Baba is doing. Ooh, another gap. Looks like today's low is a level to watch here on Baba. 101, 102. Yeah, it was resistance before. Now it's holding, so that's another one. Let's see Tesla. I wanted to see Tesla holding 260. Then has a lot of resistance at 270. But I will say the main level to watch here is 250. Tesla needs to hold this 250 level, this one here. That was Tuesday high and it was resistance before, so 250, 251. That's a key level to watch on Tesla. I would keep it simple. If you want to keep trading, I don't know why you would like to keep trading, but if you want to keep trading, I will just keep it simple. Watch the SPY here, watch the Q, these two 488 and 486 level, and that's it. And I'm done, guys. I'll see you not mañana. I'm not trading tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you next week. Thank you. Remember to like the video and subscribe. See ya.